Let's talk about this movie. This bizarre movie is loaded with ideas and is not simple to understand. We are introduced to Christian, who is a curator of contemporary art museum. He is extremely focused and excited about an upcoming exhibition called The Square. Now, this square, which is many times explained by Christian himself, is as a square of trust and caring, meaning any person who decides to stand in this square asking for help, other people must help this person. Christian doesn't only talk about it, he himself practiced this in his life too. He is kind, helpful, and believes in equality. One day his phone gets stolen, and in the process of getting it back, he gets distracted at work, leading a threat to his job. Looking in his personal life, he is divorced and have two daughters. He is a good father but have a hard time to be really involved in their life. We come across journalist named Anne who whenever is on screen surely will raise your eyebrows in disbelief, and other times you will have light-hearted laugh because of her action in certain situations. There are many subplots in the film, such as exploring elite people mentality, selfishness, trusting people, being grateful, and much more. Sure, they are executed well, but it appears to be jumping from one to another without really forming a connection between them. It depicts different parts of Christian's life and could have been organized properly. So, this may displease some audiences. Otherwise, all of them are jaw droppingly scary in a good way. The movie is creepy and confusing at times, which is intentionally. You will enjoy it if you really like dark humor, but be warned, the movie is not here to give you answers but rather to question you. And after all, being 2 hours 30 minutes long, are you really okay to process everything that you will watch in this movie with all loose ends in super artsy manner? It's on you. Then we have this really intense scene where Terry, who acts as a monkey to entertain these elite people, you will want this scene to end. Your thumb will be tingling to press skip forward button, but you won't. That's how the powerful scene is.
Go on, go away.
It completely blurs the line between human and animals. It's funny that being most intelligent animal on planet Earth, we are supposed to understand animals, that they don't think like us. There is no shame in them. They don't know what manners are nor what embarrassment is. Here, the man is acting as an animal, and like all the people sitting over there, you too won't understand how to react.
If you place an object in a museum, does that make this object a piece of art?
Like I said earlier, the square is tightly packed with ideas, but sadly it is not organized. One time it will talk about family, profession, art. Next, it will talk about morality. In fact, there are many such scenes that will make you laugh for sure. One of such is where a visiting artist is giving a talk and is constantly interrupted by a man in the audience with Tourette syndrome. All the people struggles to focus on the speech and have no clue on how to react.
So that the landscape.
When Christian goes over to Anne's apartment, we get to see a monkey wandering in her living room, which is truly shocking. Trust me, it will truly prepare you for the rest of the film. When such movies tries to express human behavior, anything, literally anything is possible to happen. So that was the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Please do share your thoughts on the movie. See you in the next video.